Hello guys, Chinese New Year is coming. It's a big holiday. So if you're having a big holidays, long holidays, I will give you some tips to maintain your machine. If you're taking a long trip or holidays, please fill the bottles. This is a tip for the maintenance of the machine. Guys, there is another tip. Before to put the white ink in the bottle, please shake it. Only for this white ink. After we did the nozzle test, now we need to turn on the auto clean function in the software. This auto clean function our recommendation is at least 12 hours. That means twice a day. One of the most important things is not turn off the machine. The machine should be on all the holidays.